Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change Gmail name on Android. So let's just begin. So to change the Google name, first of all what we have to do, we have to go inside the settings. Now we have to tap on the settings. So in the settings, now we have to go into Google. We're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see Google here. So we have to tap on that. All right, so in Google services, what we have to do, we have to tap on our Gmail account. And now we have to tap on Google account here. And here you can see the option of personal info. So you have to tap on that. So in the personal info, we have to tap on the name here. Since we wanted to update our Gmail name, now we can simply tap on the name here. And from here, I can actually update my Gmail name. So I just want to update my last name. I would tap on save. And now I have updated my Gmail name on Android. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.